Get ready, students. School may reopen from August 16th. Ola electric scooter pre-booking. Olympic athletes have started workouts in innovative way. India's largest solar park coming soon.
Hello, and my name is Rajvi Nath, and you're watching the WIM Daily News.
NTPC to construct India's largest solar park. The National Thermal Power Corporation Renewable Energy Limited has given permission under Mode 8 of Solar Park scheme. The NTPC REL is all ready to set up at 4,750 megawatts renewable energy park at Rann of Kutch in Khadab, Gujarat. This will mark India's largest solar park to be built by NTPC, and the company plans to generate green hydrogen on the commercial scale generated from the solar panels to be installed. Rice from heaven. China harvests space rice with seeds that travel the moon. China has harvested its first batch of space rice with seeds that were exposed to zero gravity cosmic radiation after traveling around the moon last year. 40 grams of rice seeds have traveled 23 days in space from the lunar voyage in Change Ease 5's mission in 23rd December 2020. Schools and colleges in Telangana may reopen from August 16th. As the COVID-19 cases are decreasing in Telangana, schools and colleges are likely to reopen from August 16th. Initially, the government may reopen in-person classes for students of class 8 and above only. Students of class 1 to 10 will continue their online classes for a few more months. The Education Department has submitted a proposal to reopen educational institutions for classes 8 and above and is waiting for the approval of the Chief Minister. Hyderabad's Northern Corridor and road to infra leave. The Northern Corridor of Hyderabad is set for a major infrastructure thrust, with the state government planning 2 mega projects at an estimated cost of Rs 1,250 crore. The proposed projects aimed at a decongesting prime area that will include elevated corridors, underpasses, service roads, and other infra facilities along Suchitra Junction, Gundla, Pochimpalli, Talaka. Oregon's hot stuff. Over 2,000 firemen tackling a blazing inferno raging in the US state of Oregon since 6 July. This fire has burned almost 300,000 acres. The Bootleg Fire, named after the nearby Bootleg Spring, has forced at least 2,000 residents from mostly rural areas to abandon their homes. At least 160 homes and buildings have been destroyed so far. Many scientists say that the climatic change increases the risk of the hot, dry weather that is likely to fuel wildness. The world has already warmed about 1.2 Celsius since the industrial era began, and the temperatures will keep rising unless the government around the world makes steep cuts to stop emissions and take a step for the environment. Innovative workouts. COVID on the streets? No problem. Olympic athletes have started doing their innovative workouts at home in order to prepare for the Tokyo Olympics, as most training centers have been closed. Restrictions in many countries. We have seen many unique and hilarious workouts done by athletes in their homes, like using a bathtub as a treadmill, breaking rocks in a forest and doing push-ups, and many more. Innovation truly beats everything. Ola's new electric scooter. Ola Scooter received over 1 lakh pre-bookings within the first 24 hours of reservations being open. The scooter is said to have a range of 75 kilometers. The company claims this electric two-wheeler can be fully charged in just 18 minutes using the Ola Hypercharger or any 5-way socket. Ola has said the new hypercharger network will be the world's largest, densest two-wheeler charging system with 1 million high-speed charging points in more than 400 cities. Customers can receive the scooter by making a refundable deposit of Rs 499. The innovative device is a cheaper and easier method to transport compared motorbikes, considering the fluctuating petrol prices. WhatsApp starts rolling out joinable group call. WhatsApp started rolling out joinable group calls to let users join a group video or voice call after it started and was missed initially. Joinable calls reduce the trouble of answering a group call as it starts. WhatsApp has also created a new info screen that will allow users to see who all have been invited for the conversation but have not joined yet. You can also look at the active participants of the call instead of getting their details after joining the call. No more missing out on the group calls when you're busy at the time when it started.